Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to stop App Store from asking for password every time. So, this method includes that you have to disable password for free downloads and also fix the problem that your phone asks you for your password instead of your Face ID. So first of all, let's disable password for free downloads. Let's open settings on your device and you want to type your name at the very top of your screen. Now let's tap media in purchases and select password settings. If you don't see this option, if you don't see option password settings, that is because Face ID is currently controlling the App Store. And please, under the free downloads section, please make sure that require password is disabled. Yes, so now let's go and fix the problem with your Face ID, that your phone does not ask you for your Face ID. So you want to scroll down to section Face ID and Passcode. Let me enter my password. And under the section Use Face ID for, you want to enable iTunes in App Store. Please enable it. Then you want to restart your phone. Additionally, it may ask you to enter your Apple ID password, so enter it here. And next time you download any kind of application, it will ask you for your password one last time to authorize the link. And after that, your phone should use Face ID. But if above two steps does not work, then restriction is likely forcing the password requirement. Let's fix that. Go to homepage of settings and let's select section screen time and go to content and privacy restrictions. If it's on, if content and privacy restrictions are on, then you want to tap iTunes and App Store purchases. App installations and purchases. And under require password, you want to select do not require. So yeah, that were three main steps that you can implement in order to stop App Store from asking for password every time. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.